How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply make low gravity and sideways gravity in Geometry Dash. So in order to do this, we actually need to get the gravity trigger. So it's going to be this one. And if you want to lower down the gravity, you can just go ahead and grab yourselves the trigger. And from here, let's go ahead and decrease it to something like 0.57. Player 1, touch trigger. And then let's click on OK. And then right after, it should go ahead and look something like this, where it will then lower the actual gravity. But if you want to go ahead and make your gravity something like sideways, it's going to be extremely simple. Navigate back to build. Then we are going to look at this specific icon right here. Basically, this allows us to change our gravity depending on where it's pointed at. So let's go ahead and just place it normally right here. You could do something like edit the velocity. I'm just going to click on the touch trigger. And then let's go ahead and click on the play button. And now it will then go ahead and edit out the gravity right here, or it will make it sidewards. And so that's simply one way to do it. Let's go ahead and click on edit once more. And now if we go ahead and touch the trigger, it will basically make it sidewards. So let's just go ahead and remove this right here. Once again, you could just go ahead and feel free to play with this trigger. You could go ahead and rotate it if you want to, but generally you just have to go ahead and edit this and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.